Oh, sorry, bouncing. Hey, folks, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. Today I have this. This is RGBW wall sconce lights, and these are battery powered. So we're going to give these things a try, see how they look. I'm actually in my office, so this won't be necessarily the final destination, but we're going to give this thing a try and see how they look. It says here's the user manual for it. So I'll just open this up since that's just the first thing in the box. And this is kind of what it comes with here. If you need to see the manual, you can probably pause it and zoom in. And then there's the other side of it if you need that. So we're just going to give this thing a shot. And let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. So let's take everything out. Everything's out of the box. Put the box over there. And this comes with all this stuff. So let's see what we got. So I'm going to guess this is probably, so here's some magnet stickers. So these are probably stickers that I can put on the wall to magnetize it on. We've got the lights. So these are going to be the puck lights, I guess, for it. The lights. So it goes 2 lights, and then the remote there. And so that was what was in this box. All right, put that over here. Some more stickers with stuff on it, I guess. We've got I guess, some of the sconce parts here. We'll take these apart. We're going to put them all together here. I don't know if we need to put both of them together, but why not? Why not? We'll put everything together. And then here's more of these metal pieces here. Okay. And then we have some screw mounts. I guess these are to mount it to the wall if I want to screw it on. Let's see. And then these are the fabric that the light will shine through. I'm just going to open one for right now. I don't have that much room here, so we're just going to give one a shot and see what it looks like here. So let's see what we got to do here. So step 1, fix the iron ring on the shade buckle. So we have a ring. Now here, wait, let's see, how do we put this thing together? So it's going to be like this and this. These are going to connect onto here. So we have tops and bottoms. Let's see which is the top and which is the bottom. Lower bracket is this one. So we'll probably have to connect this up right here. Okay, so you can see on here it's got little things, so it just snaps in. So I'll snap that, and then I can just snap as I go around. So let me snap these all in around here. It looks pretty self-explanatory the way I'm doing it, because you can see there's a crease in it, so I'm guessing that crease is going to go right here in the back. So makes it pretty easy to do. So snap, 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 and oh, Velcro's on at the end here. So let me first do the snaps, and then I will Velcro. Okay, so there. So we are on, and that was the one section. Let me see. How do we do this now? Does it go? Oh, I wonder if I did it upside down. Let me look. Yeah, I think this, because now it's sticking out, probably has to be upside down. So let's try this again to move it around. It comes off pretty easy. Let's go here. Very fast, very quick and easy to do. Okay, so there. Now you don't have to see it. And the puck light will be hanging from that, so that'll be good. And then the other bracket. Really doesn't explain it too much, I guess, on how to do it on the instructions. Just kind of have to figure it out, I guess. But thankfully, I can figure this out. And these on the bottom, it's pretty easy to tell because it's got these little cutouts. So I'll just snap it on. It snaps around the cutouts for where the screws will be. Oop, probably gotta go around part by part. There we go. There we go. Okay. And now we've got to probably put it the right way to Velcro it together. Velcro this. So might take a little bit of futzing with it just to line up these holes here, but I think I got it pretty good. So this will be how it looks like this. So it looks actually pretty nice. And then this, I don't know if I have to activate it or anything. Let me see. Oh, it's going to need 3 AA batteries. That's going to be no problem. I don't know if I have any batteries here in the office. Let's see. Do I have any batteries? I think I might have some batteries in here. And lo and behold, I do. So 1, 2, 3. So let's just close it back up again. So it's like AA's, 3 AA's. 1, 2, 3. And let's see what I want to. I want to use this one here has sticker. Oh, I guess it's you're just going to put it on and not mount it. No, this is magnetized. Yeah, it'll magnetize on there. I'm just going to put it on with the magnet. I don't see why not to. So there. As I push this, it changes the colors. You can see. But let's put it in there and we'll see what it looks like. So there. So now it's on. Let me go turn off the lights in here. Maybe it'll do something. It's not super dark, but let's see. This is going to be about as dark as I can get it here once I turn this off. So there. So that's about as dark as it gets. But let's see what the different colors are. So there it can be blue. So it'll have a blue tint to it. It'll have a white, I guess. And then maybe, oh, it kind of changes and flickers. So you can have it like that. I think it's changing colors. Yeah, it is. I'm colorblind, so that's what it. So if I put these back up on the wall, it actually kind of matches this place, but it's changed colors. So that's kind of cool. So this is what it looks like up close. Here, I'll show you. I'm going to just put the light back on again. Here's that light. So let me see how I turn it off. I think, yeah, hold it down and turn it off. And so this is what it looks like up close. You can kind of see that's the pattern. So it's got that pattern. And it does come with a remote as well. Let me see if I pull out the one. The remote works even through the casing. Let me show you. So I even have it just in there, and if I push the remote to do something, it happens. So it sees all the way through it. So very cool. And I can turn it off. So it's pretty cool. And it looks like I can set it on a timer and stuff too. So this is the remote. I'll show you guys what it looks like there. So you could turn it on if you just want to have it on for like an hour. Or you just put it on the wall, turn it on for an hour. It looks nice, then it goes off by itself. You can turn it on for 1 hour, half an hour, 3 hours, or 6 hours. So you got all those different choices and the different brightness levels. So I think I'm at 100% right now. You can make it dimmer, different colors, different settings. So just all these different remote options there. I'm sure you could find out more from them and stuff. But this is what it looks like. So it's really cool. So it comes with 2 of these, and I like it. So I'm going to say thumbs up from me. Put a link in the description so you can pick one up for yourselves. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.